How you over there? How y'all over there?
I ain't gonna lie, man. Today I had to scream at the kids. You know what I'm saying? I'm a bad substitute.
That's cool. That's
I'm a
cool.
bad substitute.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. As long as the family's good, the house is safe. You know what I'm saying? The wife is good. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just chill, man. You know
We
what I mean?
blessed,
Because
man.
a
We
couple
blessed.
of weeks, it's gonna be over. You know what I mean? And a lot of big shit is happening. You gotta hustle while this is, keep doing your thing. And
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm gonna make sure. I mean, when outside open, I'm gonna make sure I hustle enough to get on that drink champs because
Oh no, you
I
already
need it.
good. You already
I
good.
need it.
You know, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm a
Yeah.
fan. I'm a fan. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan. I follow you and everything.
I
I
love
follow you
drink
and
champs, man. I love
I
it.
follow you and Fresh Out. You know what I mean? So I follow both of y'all in my mind. It's two different niggas. You know
Right,
what I'm saying?
right.
It's
It's
two different
definitely
niggas. You know
two
what I'm saying?
different niggas.
It's three different niggas actually. You know, it's the comedian and this Mr Commodore. Then it's
Right.
Fresh Out. It's three
Exactly.
different guys. You know what I'm saying? You know, and guess what? I follow them all in my mind.
Exactly.
Get love to you, your family, your wives, everybody. You know what I mean?
Are you ready?
And
Shout
always
out to
fuck
you,
with you,
man.
bro. And we're gonna
Love,
do
Nore.
something big in the future. I'm planning it right now. Don't worry about it.
Let's get it, baby.
All right, my nigga. One
My
love.
nigga.
My nigga.